I know, it was sick though. Bounce ups are so difficult on that WR. Me and him both tried it now. In it? If you didn't hear that, he said it's ruthlessly hard. My YBR goes up instantly doing this, by the way, guys. That's why we're trying it. That was sick, to be fair, bro. That was sick. For Luke, anyway. Yes, Luke, my Donny. Getting in with them sick wheelies, bro. Haha. My fucking guy. Watch him Luke at this time. Turn out. My guy. These are some 60 FPS wheelies. 4K ting as well. It's like little skid. Come on, Luke, do a proper danker as well. Go on, show the crowd what they want. Nearly hit the curve! Freaking hell! He would have died! I love him. Oh, it shot a flame, what the fuck? I hope I got that on camera. He is landing pretty heavy on them forks. Might need to replace them still soon, bro. When you're watching this, bit of advice. Yeah, boy! What? I said, yeah, boy. Oh, pass me that. Come on, boy. Oh, you're getting some for the gram. Be careful, bro. I said, be careful. Yeah, you all heard me say that to him as well. So he's got no lid on. The lid's there, but at least everything's caught on camera. Nearly looped it. Oh! Oh! You nearly did it, boy.
Is that 12 o'clock?
That was dead on 12, bro.
Nah,
nearly died
like,
though.
That was more like 11.
No, that was more like 1 o'clock, bro. You nearly died.
See that too?
Yes, Luke. Rated. He's trying to change gear so low down. Bro, you have to get the wheelie up first, man. More advice, innit? Need to get the wheelie up. He's trying to change into second too early. That's what you're doing, bro. Need to get the wheelie right up and going before you change into second. Treat it like riding a bike normally. You have to change at that point, you know? wish I had my bike on me, but it's at home because it's clapped. Oh no, that looked and sounded sick. My guy. Is he going off-roading? Yep, he's off. He's gone. I don't know where he's gone. I actually can't hear his bike anymore, but he just started ragging it. Wait, he's over there. I can hear him. Oh, you man see that thing? Right in the air, bro. Oh, why was the lighting so shit for that Danko's wheelie, bro?
That one just coming in with ruthless.
In it, I saw that over the bush. I hope I caught it on. This one's Luke trying to wheelie the bike, not me this time. Go on, son.
I can't do bounce up.
You can do it. Put your left foot on the rear peg. That's it. Oh, he lifted it. He knows how to lift it now. He's got to learn how to hold it up. It's really easy but really scary on that bike, if I'm honest.
I can't do it.
You can do it. Go on.
It's real hard.
Left foot on the rear peg, yeah, and just go a bit faster and just put some beans into it, mush. No clutch, no nothing. He can't do it. David. Lifted it. This car park's sick for wheelies, say no more.